Right, and we're continuing now to minister to Mable. Mable, come on, shall we show them the river? And there's the river. And the tide is really high. And that's our boat station. Alright, Mable. It's going to be a jerky video, I'm afraid. Go on. Go on. And we're looking straight down the river to Greenwich at this point. And these are the Prince of Denmark flats. We've got a lot of associations with Scandinavia here because this was the main dock for wood, essentially wood from Scandinavia. So it's Denmark, Sweden and Norway, and there's a Danish church, a Swedish church and a Norwegian church locally. And rumour has it, well, not rumour, it's true, there are more blondes in Bermondsey and Rotherhithe than anywhere else in London. Alright, so we're going to cross the dock into another dock called the South Dock. Come on Mable, where they keep a lot of nice boats kept, and straight in front of you is the boat yard.